Which YouTube TV device is easiest to use? Choosing the right device can make YouTube TV easier to use depending on your preferences and tech comfort level. Here's a breakdown of the easiest devices for streaming YouTube TV. 1. Roku streaming devices. Why it's easy. Simple remote with minimal buttons. Intuitive interface with a clear home screen, automatic updates, and voice search. Best for beginners and non-tech savvy users who want a plug-and-play experience. 2. Google Chromecast with Google TV. Why it's easy. Built-in Google TV interface with personalized recommendations. Integrated voice control with Google Assistant. Easy setup and content casting from mobile devices. Best for Android users and Google ecosystem fans. 3rd, Amazon Fire TV Stick, 4K and Max. Why it's easy. Alexa voice remote for hands-free control. Quick navigation through personalized content recommendations. Simple app installation from the Amazon App Store. Best for Amazon Prime users and those familiar with Alexa-powered devices. 4. Apple TV 4K. Why it's easy. Seamless integration with Apple products like iPhones and iPads. Siri voice search for easy content navigation. Smooth, fast performance with minimal setup. Best for Apple ecosystem users looking for a premium streaming experience. 5. Smart TVs with built-in YouTube TV app. Why it's easy. No additional hardware required. Direct access through the TV's home screen. Supports major brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, and Vizio. Best for users who prefer an all-in-one solution without external devices. 6. Gaming consoles. Xbox One, Series XS. Why it's easy. Great for gamers who already own an Xbox. Smooth app integration and voice commands through Xbox Assistant. Best for gamers looking to combine streaming and gaming. Overall recommendation for simplicity, Roku streaming devices. For smart features, Chromecast with Google TV. For Apple users, Apple TV 4K for built-in access. Smart TVs with YouTube TV app.